Hi friends, I'm Naz from WebsiteWise. Today in this video, I will show you how to create a contact form in your WordPress website. If you also want to create a contact form or a contact page in your WordPress website, then this video is only for you. You have to follow up with this video. So first of all, you have to come on your WordPress dashboard. Then you have to go in the plugins section. Then you have to click on add new to install a new plugin to your WordPress dashboard. And now here you have to search WP Forms. So as you can see over here, as soon as you search this WP Forms, you have to install this plugin which is WP Forms. Okay, it is by WP Forms. So you have to click on install now button. And then click on activate button to activate this plugin. So as you can see over here, we are successfully done. Now all you have to do is simply you have to come in the WP Forms section. You have to create a new form. So as you can see over here, simple contact form. You can easily customize this or you can even create a new. So let me open this and you have to click on edit icon. So as you can see over here, here is a contact form. Now we can easily customize this or we can easily set the backend data of this. Now how to do this? I will show you everything in this video only. Just be with me. So as you can see over here, here are some options like setup and fields, settings, marketing and payments. So there are some pro services like payments and these marketings. So we will only go with the basic and free services. So you have to come in the fields option. Now as you can see over here, here are some fields: name, email, subject and message. So here's an option of field options. Like if you want to change the name of this field, let me make it to first name. Then you can even do this. And similarly, you can easily change or customize these fields, which is subject. And if it is not required, then you have to make this button off, required or not required. So if you will make this off, the red star will be gone. So I will suggest you to make this a field option because it is compulsory. Alright, if you won't, make it off. So as you can see over here, let me come back to add fields. Now here are some more options, like these are more fields which you can add, but these are all available in the pro version. Hence if you want to add these fields to your contact form, then all you have to do is simply you have to purchase the plan of WP Forms, the pro plan of WP Forms. So if you want, you can easily purchase that. Now let me come to the main part of this WP form. You have to go in the settings and then you have to come in the notification section. Not in the general or commissions, you have to come in the notification section. Alright, so as you can see over here, here are some fields which you have to fill to make your form a working form. Now send to email address, admin email. Here you have to write your email address to which you want to receive all the messages and emails from these contact forms. Alright, so here you have to write your email address. So once you have written your email, as you can see in the next field, you can leave it as it is and form from name. If you want, you can just write your website name over here or you can write anything else, it's up to you. So let me write my website name, and in the rest of the fields you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is simply come below. You have to click on save button. And one more thing, if you want to add a Google reCAPTCHA, you can even add. First of all, you have to set up your reCAPTCHA account and then you have to paste that codes in the WP Forms settings section. Now this is done. Now all you have to do is simply come back. Now as you can see over here, this is a contact form. Now the short code, which is this one, you have to simply copy this short code. So once it is copied, all you have to do is simply come in the pages section and click on add new to make a contact page. We are going to create a new contact page. For this, you can name this page as contact, and then what you have to do is simply paste that code which you have copied. Okay, you have to paste it over here. So once you are done, all you have to do is simply click on publish button. Now let us try to view this page. So as you can see over here, we have made a complete contact form or a complete contact page. Basically, this is the part of Elementor. You can easily remove this if you want. Okay, so as you can see over here, this form is a working form. Now let me show you, is this form working or not. Okay, so first of all, let me fill all these informations. So once you are done filling all this information, all you have to do is simply click on submit button. Now as you can see, thanks for contacting us. We will be in touch with you shortly. Now the email which you have written in the WP form section, you have to open that email inbox to check this message. So let me come to that email. So as you can see over here we are. So it is a webmail of Hostinger. As you can see, the email which is by Zorosh, new entry, simple contact form. So if you will open this, you will be able to see that the first name website wise, which means that we have written the name over here in the contact form, and the email also I have got, and the subject and the main message is over here. So this is how we can create a contact form or a contact page in a WordPress website. So I hope that you have learned from this video. If you have learned from this video, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for all notifications right in your inbox. Thanks for watching this video.